Now, I'll show you how to construct the isosceles triangle. If you want a challenge, you can try this on your own. Keep in mind that we used circles to create sides of equal length for the equilateral triangle. In the isosceles triangle, again, you can use a circle to create sides of equal length, but you're only doing two sides of equal length instead of three. So if you want to try it on your own, you can pause the video and give it a try. If not, I'll go ahead and demonstrate. So the first step is we go to the tools and click on the circle with a center. Click once to drop the center, move out, and click again to drop a point on the circle. Now, to get our our isosceles triangle, we remember that any point on this circle is the same distance from D as any other. So if I get another point and put it on the circle, that point is going to be the same distance from D as E, and there's my isosceles triangle. No matter where I move F, it'll always be the same distance from D as E. So I go to the polygon tool, I click E, then D, then F, and then back to E, and I've got my triangle. Now I want to hide the circle because I don't need it anymore, so I click the Move tool, click on the circle, go to the calculator, find out what is shaded. There it is, that's the circle. So when I click it, it disappears. Now I'm going to go back to the tools, click the Move tool, move these so I can see them. Now I need to measure the angles. So I click the angle measure tool, click inside the circle, and they all appear. Click the Move tool, move them around so I can see them. I'm going to make this triangle just a little bit bigger. Now I have the angles. Now I need to label and measure the sides. So I click distance or length, click each of the sides. Now if you click in the middle by mistake, you might get the perimeter. We're not looking for the perimeter, so I just click this arrow to undo. And I'll click this last side to get that measure. I'll move these, I'll get the Move tool, move these out so I can see them. Now I want to change the labels because our sheet has angle A, B, and C, and so it's going to be easier if I name these all in the same way. So I click on the point, and if you're not seeing this, I get this little bar. I click the multiple dots, click settings, and here's my information about that point. I'll make that, and it doesn't matter which point is which, but I'll make that point A. I'm going to make this. So I click on the point, and this all stays here. I'm going to make that point B. Oh, it didn't stay. I guess I have to hit B and then return. And I go here. Let's make this point C, hit return, and make this A again, return. All right, now I'm going to do the same thing with the sides. Now this side is across from capital C, so I'm going to make this little c, and I want to see both the name and the value. So I get C equals 4.2. Move that out a little bit. Across from big A is little a. And, select it again. I forgot to say show name and value. Then down here, name this, it's across from angle B, so I name it little b, and I say show name and value. So now I've got my isosceles triangle, and I can move it. If I move B, notice C and B are still stay the same length. Same thing if I move C. C and B should say I've locked it in as an isosceles triangle. So pick a size, and then you're ready to fill in your second row under isosceles triangle. Next, we're going to skip scalene for now. And next, I'm going to show you how to construct a right triangle. And then finally, we'll use the same triangle for the last three because those don't have to be locked into anything.